In this video, we are going to see how we can add a signature, like a handwritten signature in Google Docs. So this is a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, if you want to insert a signature, you click on the insert and click on drawing. And from here, select new. Now you will get this drawing screen where you have all the options. You can insert the text box, you can insert image, a single line, shapes or whatever. But we select a single line and we select scribble. It depends on if you have connected an external pen, you should be able to draw your signature more properly. But for example, Andrew is my name and this is my signature. When I create it and leave the mouse cursor, it will draw it for me. Click on save and continue, and this will be added to your document. After that, you can resize it, place it wherever you want. And if you want to, you can edit it further. Let's say you want to change the color to dark blue. Click on save and close, and it will appear like that. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.